Hi Aries, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for February 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into this love oracle that I have. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. Towards the final days of January 2022, stepping into February 2022, we have the Hermit card. You are gaining insight. Possibly, there were disagreements. Maybe the work pressure has also taken a toll on you. Ideally, I think Aries, you should have clarified, you should have been prudent enough to avoid the disagreements. Perhaps it would have been best to apologize and to move on. Maybe because of the restrictions within the home front, you were disturbed. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that February 2022 is going to pose for you is the Seven of Pentacles. Certainly, you are going to make plans for the future, but as this card is in the challenge position, I think financial issues could crop up. Maybe you want to invest in gadgets. I think you should also be careful because there are clients who are going to take undue advantage of you this month. Influences for February 2022, we have the Two of Swords. You see this lady here, she seems to be unable to decide. Possibly she's at the crossroads. She has options before her. Maybe you're also going to grapple with the dilemma. Nevertheless, this is a swords energy, so you need to deliberate. Possibly, you can have discussions with senior members of the family. Also, Aries, I think you should follow your instinct. Maybe you should also be more attentive at work. Your superior may feel that you procrastinate or that you want to take your own sweet time before you carry on. Nevertheless, I think this month you're going to use your networking skills. You will use your contacts and get your work done. Possibly for many Aries, I think this is a month when a mess situation could be resolved. You will also get your dues this month, so maybe you want to repay some debts. The first 10 days of February 2022, we have the Four of Swords. You see this person, he seems to be in a meditative state. He wants to withdraw from the world. Maybe you also asked to think along a different course of action. Perhaps you're going in a particular direction, but then you have to retreat from that step and take a different course of action. Maybe you will also feel that you have to step back as things don't go according to the way you desire. This is also the time when you need to be tactful. I think because of the swords energy, you could be coming across as someone who is meddlesome or who is too blunt, maybe even impolite. So you need to weigh your words carefully. Perhaps because of the excess work or the scrutiny which is going to be there, you are going to be stressed out. Nonetheless, Aries, I think you will come up trumps. It is also pleasing that you don't have to take assistance from those whom you regard as rivals. Also, Aries, I think this month you should be careful because knives are going to be sharpened behind your back. I think the best way to combat envy is to keep quiet. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you will take incompetent juniors to task. I think you will give them a piece of your mind. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th February, we have the Five of Wands. This is the energy which is asking you to adjust and adapt as per the situation, as there's no way out. I think you will make good progress in this time. Sometimes, you may be procrastinating or dithering when it comes to obliging your family members. Maybe you don't want to run errands, but then you will do the same eventually. That is why I think they could question you as to why you're always creating a fuss. I think your mind is also very active in this time. You're quite creative. I think ideas will come in, or there could be a eureka moment. So you should work on your ideas very quickly. Even pending work will take up your time. Communication could also leave you tired, but then communication is essential for you. Maybe at work you should also be prepared because your boss is quite whimsical. She could change your plans, so you may think that her ideas are impractical. You may want to put your point of view across. I think these last minute changes are something which could leave you hassled. Maybe there's also going to be a client which you should welcome, because client means bucks. So this means that you're going to be paid pronto. I think Aries, you should capitalize and make hay while the sun shines. The final days of February, we have the Six of Wands. A claim is quite likely in this time. You're the center of attention, you're sought after. Honor is going to be yours for the taking. Besides, I think Aries, in this time, you will be up and about. I think paperwork or technical work is going to increase throughout this month. Besides, you're also very intelligent and creative, so this is going to hold you in good stead. I think your intuition is also going to be at its peak in these final days, so you should listen. Everyone will also agree to your foresight. Incidentally, Aries, I think you would want clarity with respect to financial matters. Maybe you believe that your junior has made a mistake, and that is why you are going to lose out when it comes to money. Maybe you think that there's something fishy, or that you smell a rat here. For some Aries, I'm also picking up that even if money comes in, you may feel that money is inadequate because you have to make payments. Other than that, Aries, I think in this month you can receive books. Maybe you're also somebody who is going to enjoy good food. You may also want to do up your living space in this month. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Wedding Bells, from the Love Oracle deck, created by yours truly. This is a very positive card. It is asking you to be open to the prospect of a formal proposal from your person or your beloved. Or maybe some of you are in a celebratory mood, or you could meet that special someone on account of a outing or on account of a social event. Incidentally, Aries, I'm also picking up that commitment phobia could be an issue for some of you. Maybe you believe that your pockets aren't too deep, that is why you don't want to settle down. I think there are going to be secret admirers. Maybe you are undecided about how you should proceed, because we have the Two of Swords here. They will definitely try to get your attention. Incidentally, Aries, in case you fancy someone, I think you could make an effort to reach out to this person. Perhaps there are health concerns which are bothering this person, or maybe your family, that is why you are reaching out. I think you're also going to receive messages from your spirit guides this February. Romancing Aries, I also have this card, Twin Flames. Your passion ignites. I think it's going to be a very passionate and romantic February. This is the Valentine month. Possibly some of you also in a twin flame connection here. So certainly you need to be open to the idea that there could be some disagreements in this part, but then it's a sacred union, and that you are being brought together to do good for the general collective. Maybe your lover is also going to be busy on account of a business trip or on account of work. Basically, Aries, you want to hear those wedding bells ring. Married Aries, your spouse is someone who is going to make financial gains. Maybe you also need to tolerate his behavior. Sometimes, he can be quite generous, and other times he could be quite temperamental. For some Aries, the issue of domestic violence could also crop up. Maybe you shouldn't be in an unhealthy relationship. Incidentally, we also have this card, Autumnal Equinox, which says release. Maybe you should release or detach yourself from certain circumstances or certain relationships which are not doing you any good. The deciduous trees, they always shed their leaves. Autumn is the time when degeneration takes place, so that the trees can regenerate again in spring. Perhaps this is also the time when you need to conserve your energy, so you need to take rest. Maybe you should also save for a rainy day and be brutally honest with yourself about money matters. Once you shed those leaves, you feel a lot lighter. Incidentally, another card in this reading, or the last card in your reading, is Balloon, which talks about freedom. So these two cards seem to convey the same messages, that you need to set yourself free from certain situations or attachments which are not doing you good. Maybe some of you also want to travel. You want to take flight. You want to be away from responsibilities that are weighing you down. All in all, Aries, this is the month when you need to deliberate with family elders. Maybe for some of you, there's also going to be the prospect of marriage, so you are going to cement your relationship with your beloved in this Valentine month. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.